Hi friends, welcome to Lax Smiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well and wish you a very happy new year. In today's video, I'm going to explain area chart discrete in Tableau. In my previous video, I have already explained area chart which is continuous. Let's get started. An area chart is a line chart where the area between the line and axis are shaded with a color. In my previous video, I have already shown you how to create an area chart, which is a continuous area chart. In today's video, we are going to talk about area chart, which is discrete. These charts are typically used to represent accumulated totals over time and are the conventional way to display stacked lines. Both are similar, but the only difference is the area chart continuous is used to represent the periodical data, which is of continuous time period. Here the time period will be broken down into buckets and it will be plotted as segments, different segments. For creating an area chart, we need to have a date field and a measure to plot an area chart. Let's see how to create an area chart discrete. Let me open Tableau public application and I have taken sample superstore data and I'm clicking on the show me palette to show the template of area chart discrete. When I hover on the area chart discrete, I see some suggestions over here. The suggestions are for area charts discrete, try one date, 0 or more dimensions, 1 or more measures. We need to have a date field and a measure to create an area chart for sure. And dimensions, it is up to our choice whether we can use it or not use it. It is optional. Since I have taken sample superstore data, we have the order date ready, which is available over here. I'm taking order date and dropping in the column shelf. It is processing. And we need to have a measure, so I'm taking sales and dropping in the rows. Now I'm selecting on the order date and right clicking on it to show whether it is a discrete date field or continuous date field. You see the option over here, right? Convert to continuous. It says that it is a discrete date field. That's why we are getting the date values as year. When I drill it down to month, when I drill it, I can drill down to quarter, I can drill down to month, I can drill down to day as well. For now I'm removing day and quarter to make it clear and without any confusion. I'm changing the mark to area and taking a dimension region and dropping it to color. This way you can see the discrete area chart by month, by year based on sales. So you can see, right, 2015 we have different months over here. From January to December 2014 there is a area chart plotted, and again 2015 there is another area chart, 2016 another area chart. Likewise we can see the time period has been broken down and plotted into buckets. If I remove the region over here, you can see the total sales. I can enable the label so that the values can be displayed. If you want to get more detail out of this, you can even add region or any other dimension to get more details based on the discrete area chart. we have 5 years available: 2014, 15, 16, 17. So all these are visible, and each and every year has an area chart plotted, and it has been displayed by sales by region as well. This is it. This is how you create an area chart discrete. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share, and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.